Hey everyone, welcome to the Power of Passion series. And this is day 8, and I hope you're enjoying the series. And what is our mission? Our mission is to turn your passion into dream and dream into destination. This is what we do here. So far we have discussed a lot. So let's quickly jump into today's session, and we'll quickly start with the 7 pillars of the passion perseverance. So 7 pillars kya hai, which I want you to instill in your lifestyle. So persistence, allocating time, self-discipline, system and strategies, intention, organize, and net growth. So these are the 7 principles we have to follow our passion and persevere it till it reaches its destination. तो ये हमें सातों प्रिंसिपल को फॉलो करना है until unless हम अपने डेस्टिनेशन को रीच कर जाएं. तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है दैट इज इंटेंशन, और इंटेंशन को हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ डिफरेंट टाइप्स में. तो सबसे पहली चीज आज मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूं, देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल. 3 तरह के लोग होते हैं दुनिया में. वो 3 तरह के लोग कैसे होते हैं, लेट्स क्विकली लुक इनटू दैट. सो देखिए 3 तरह के लोग होते हैं और आई हैव कैटेगराइज्ड देम इनटू ज़ॉम्बी, रिकॉर्डर एंड एंगेज्ड. तो ये 3 तरह के लोग आपको अपनी लाइफ में भी हर जगह देखने को मिल जाएंगे. होता क्या है, ज़ॉम्बी इज अ टाइप ऑफ पर्सन जो अपने आप को फुल मानता है, जिसको लगता है कि मुझे सब कुछ आता है. ही ऑलवेज हैव दैट माइंडसेट कि मैं फुल हूँ, मुझे सब आता है, मुझे कुछ जानने की जरूरत नहीं. इवन इफ ही अटेंड सम सेशंस और सम वर्कशॉप, ही विल सिट लाइक सिंपली ही विल सिट एंड ही विल से ओ ये क्या बकवास हो रहा है, मुझे नहीं करना ये चीज. कोई एक्टिविटी हो रही है, ही विल नॉट टेक पार्ट इन दैट. So he is like, I am full, I don't need anything, but he will sit there. So that is one thing which is zombie. Now the second ones are the recorders. Recorders का क्या काम होता है, उनको बस नई नई चीजों में इंटरेस्ट होता है. They run after all the golden and shiny things. तो उनको जो भी अच्छा दिखता है वो उसके पीछे भागने लगते हैं कि अच्छा ये पोस्ट अच्छी आई, इसको क्लिक कर लेते हैं, अच्छा ये नॉलेज अच्छी है, इसको पोस्ट कर देते हैं. तो दे रिकॉर्ड एवरीथिंग बट दे डोंट take action in that. But there are third category of person that I want you to be, which is being engaged. Engaged वो person होते हैं जो किसी भी ग्रुप में, किसी भी वर्कशॉप में, किसी भी एक्टिविटी में अपना 100% देते हैं. जो भी उनसे कहा जाता है, they try to do it with 100% of intensity. And those kind of people who are taking action will reach to the top most position in the world. तो हमें engaged बनना है. Okay, it is just a journey of transformation, everyone. It is not like कि मैं हमेशा से engaged था. I have been to the zombie side, I have been to the recorder side, now I am in the engaged portion. So it is a journey. If find yourself in which place you are, either you are a zombie or recorder or engaged. So if you are a zombie, the second step is to be recorder. If you are recorder, then turn yourself into engaged. So that is how the journey is. That is what you should be doing. Now, the topic that we will be discussing today, that is the major topic, which is intention. And intention is all about hitting the aim. And that is only possible if you have a right mindset. See, knowledge is a potential power. We need execution or action to make it kinetic. That is what the mindset is. And our mind is designed to survive, not to thrive. So basically, आपको अपने mind को control करना आना चाहिए. Now, your outer world is a printout of your inner world. So ये जो भी आप कर रहे हो, जो भी आपके चारों ओर हो रहा है, दैट इज ऑल बिकॉज व्हाट इज देयर इनसाइड यू. तो हमें अपनी इनर वर्ल्ड को अलाइन करना है, रीट्यून करना है टू द राइट फ्रीक्वेंसी. नाउ माइंडसेट के बारे में बहुत सी चीजें हैं. आपने रिच माइंडसेट, पुअर माइंडसेट के बारे में पढ़ा होगा. यू मस्ट बी नोइंग अबाउट द ग्रोथ माइंडसेट एंड द फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट. तो ये अलग अलग तरह के डिस्कशन है. व्हाट आई हैव कैटेगराइज्ड इट इनटू पोटेंशियल माइंडसेट एंड काइनेटिक माइंडसेट. पोटेंशियल माइंडसेट से मेरा सिर्फ इतना मतलब है, ऐसे लोग या ऐसी चीजें जहां आप सिर्फ लर्निंग कर रहे हो. योर फुल इंटेंशन, योर फुल फोकस इज ऑन लर्निंग ओनली, बट यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग. दैट इज व्हाट मेकिंग यू पोटेंशियल टू ग्रो. दैट इज मेकिंग यू पोटेंशियल टू ग्रो. बट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक एक्शन. और जैसे ही आप एक्शन लेते हो, यू टर्न योर पोटेंशियल माइंडसेट इनटू काइनेटिक माइंडसेट. that's the time when you start growing. That's the time you start growing. If you want to shoot into the sky, your roots must be strong. अगर आप स्काई में जाना चाहते हो तो आपकी जड़ें बहुत मजबूत होनी चाहिए, तभी आप आसमान को छू पाओगे. तो जो जड़ें बनाने का काम है, that is because of the potential mindset. And once you start taking action, you get into the mode of kinetic mindset and you start growing. There is a very beautiful story of a bamboo tree. So क्या होता है, there's a bamboo tree which is called Chinese bamboo tree. उसकी सीड को जब आप सो करते हो, उसको लगाते हो, तो for the next 5 years there is no growth. There is no growth. Okay, but within the next 1 month after the completion of the 5 year, it grows 90 feet tall. That is the power. That is the power. So it is up to us to make our roots strong, so that then the sky is the limit for us. Okay, तो हमें अपने दोनों माइंडसेट पे काम करना है, पोटेंशियल माइंडसेट एंड काइनेटिक माइंडसेट. बट the ultimate result that you will get, it is all because of the kinetic mindset. So हमें kinetic mindset पे काम करना है. Now how you will do it? I have got a very beautiful and very motivating tool for you, which is the strangest secret. And today I'll be uploading this as well along with this video, and I have prepared it in both Hindi and English. It is being delivered by Mr. Earl Nightingale, who is the father of all the motivation and all the self-growth journey that we learn today. All the self-help, all the self-growth, all the self-transformation courses, or you can say this world has been created by him only. So I have got a recordings in both Hindi and English of Mr. Earl Nightingale, which is strangest secret of the world. So if you are compatible in Hindi, you go for the Hindi. If you are compatible with English, you go with English. I'll put the link in the description so you can just check them out. And this is what you need to be listening every day. Now, this is not a very small video. This is a 30 to 40 minute video, but this will change your life. If you dedicate half an hour every day listening to this for the next 30 days, the life will change and you will see the transformation. I personally do it every day. So I know it is such a powerful tool that it will transform your life like anything. To do it, that is what we have as the next step for today, that listen to the strangest secret daily. Now, there's very much of the chances, there is very high chances that you will miss out on some days. Now, how you will be accountable to listen to this? Now, I have got a very gamified trick for it. If you listen it one day, okay, then you write in the comment section day 1 completed. If you suppose that you missed out on the second day, don't write anything in the chat box, don't write anything in the comments. But if you listen it on the 3rd day, that will be your second day, right? Day 2 is completed in the comment, and every day write it in the comment. You will see that will be a tracker for you, that whether you are able to finish this 30-day challenge or not. And every day when you will write in the comment section that my day 1 is completed, my day 2 is completed, my day 3 is completed, you will feel confident every day. And since it is a long video, I would suggest that for the first time you listen it on the normal speed, whatever is you are compatible with. But from the 2nd and the 3rd day, increase the speed, because it is in the YouTube. You can increase the speed to 1.2x or 1.5x. And if you're compatible at 2x, go ahead with 2x. So this 30-minute video will only take 15 minutes of yours. So that is what you can do to complete the challenge in the next 30 days. And the last one is to share your biggest takeaways from the today's session. So this is it from my side. Have a nice day. See you all in the next video.